The 2025 Honda G-150 Cargo is here, and it's ready to make a statement in the compact cargo vehicle segment. Straight away, the exterior design blends rugged practicality with modern styling. The front grille features Honda's signature design language, with a bold, blacked-out pattern that flows smoothly into the slim LED headlights. The hood has a subtle contour, giving the G-150 a more muscular look without being overly aggressive. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the squared-off wheel arches and sturdy black cladding, which not only adds to the rugged appeal but also protects against scrapes during loading and unloading. Honda offers practical sliding doors on both sides, making cargo access easy even in tight spaces. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights and large tailgate provide easy access to the spacious cargo area, designed with a low-load floor for maximum convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 G-150 Cargo is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering solid performance with fuel efficiency in mind. The engine pairs with a CVT transmission, providing smooth acceleration, which is perfect for city driving and long hauls alike. The G-150 handles well for a cargo-focused vehicle, thanks to a stiffened chassis and well-tuned suspension. It feels stable around corners, and the electric power steering offers just the right amount of feedback. Honda's Eco Assist system helps optimize fuel consumption, making it an economical choice for businesses. Plus, with a towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, it's more than capable of hauling small trailers or extra equipment. Inside the cabin, Honda has kept things simple and functional without sacrificing comfort. The driver's seat offers excellent visibility with large windows and slim pillars. The dashboard layout is clean, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Storage compartments are abundant, and there's even a dedicated space for clipboards or tablets, perfect for delivery drivers. The passenger seat can fold flat to extend the cargo area, adding flexibility for larger loads. Overall, the interior is built with durable materials designed to withstand daily wear and tear while keeping things practical and easy to maintain. The 2025 Honda G-150 Cargo proves that practicality doesn't have to be boring. It delivers the reliability you expect from Honda with modern design, solid performance, and smart interior features. Whether you're a small business owner, delivery driver, or someone who just needs a versatile hauler, the G-150 Cargo is a strong contender in the compact cargo segment.